Hi foodies, welcome back to my channel, and if you're stopping by for the first time, thanks for tuning in. So today I'm going to show you how I make my Jamaican famous fricassee chicken, and I'll also be doing some potatoes, but I'm going to be doing them three different ways. The first way is a regular mashed potato. Then I'm going to do some oven roasted potatoes, and then I'll be doing some Hasselback potatoes or accordion style potatoes. So stick around, this video should be very interesting. So please remember to like it, and by giving me a thumbs up, turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I post a video, and remember to leave a comment. A comment is always good. So thank you, and let's start cooking. So now guys, I'm getting ready to bake my potatoes. So this is gonna be mashed potatoes and roast potatoes, and for my accordion style potatoes I just slice it really thinly, but make sure when you slice it you don't slice it all the way through. So this is how it's looking, and I've already done these already, and I've put them to boil for about 5 minutes just to get them a little bit soft. Okay my friends, for the mashed potato I'll be putting about a half teaspoon of salt, and I've added to the boiling water. And I'm just gonna go ahead and boil this for about 10 minutes or until it's very soft and tender. All right. So my potato is done boiled and I drained the water, so I'm just going to go ahead and mash it. So this is just a small portion I'm just making for myself. And these are three very simple and easy ways to do your potatoes, so you have different varieties. So for starters, I'm going to go in with my jerk sauce. This is about 2 teaspoons of jerk sauce. And I'm going to be adding some garlic powder, some red cayenne pepper, and black pepper. Paprika, so I'm just gonna cover it and let it marinate for about half an hour. So now my chicken has been nicely marinated, so I can start frying them now. So I put up a half cup vegetable oil in my skillet. So guys, this is how you want it to look. So I'm just gonna fry the rest and I'll show you how it looks when it's all done. So my chicken is all done and ready, and I'm now gonna go ahead and start making my fricassee gravy. So this is the oil I've used to fry the chicken. So I use the same oil to make the gravy. It has so much flavor in it. Brown sugar, and this is some of the sauce from what I use to marinate my chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and add some soy sauce. This is about 2 teaspoons soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of browning. Garlic powder, black pepper, and a little bit of salt. Less than 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Some thyme. go ahead and stir it around. All-purpose seasoning. Go ahead and add my chicken. I'm gonna cover this and allow it to simmer and finish cook down until the gravy is thickened. So I'll give this about 10 minutes, but I'll check on it from time to time to make sure it's not burning or drying out too much. So guys, there you have it, my fricassee chicken and mashed potatoes and my accordion potatoes with fricassee chicken and my roast potatoes. So if you like my video, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye guys, take care.